Very good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss solution of the Combined Geo-Scientist Main Examination 2026 Chemistry and paper number 3rd. Now start our question. This question is from the Analytical Chemistry, and there are the different types of the spectroscopy used in these questions. Okay. It is a very interesting question because of the completely depend on the spectroscopical techniques. So now question organic compound having molecular formula. In this question, the compound's molecular formula is given C10F16O4. Give the following spectra data. IR data, the significant absorption bands at. Okay, in the IR spectroscopy, this compound gives the significant band at the this wavelength. There are the 3 or 4 given in centimeter square, and the proton NMR spectroscopy at the 400 megahertz cadmium trichloride gives the this data also. Okay, and carbon 13 NMR at the 100 megahertz cadmium chloride used this data, and EIMS the prominent peaks at MZ value 99 and 155. To deduce the structure of the compound and explain the data, we can calculate the data or the organic compound on the basis of the 4 types of the spectroscopy: IR, proton NMR, carbon NMR, and EIMS. Okay, all data are given. So how to find the compound? Explain the data and explain the data. They are asking about the explanation of the data also. Now, so here first we will calculate the deduce the structure of the compound, and according to the given data we can try to deduce the structure of molecular formula is the C10H16O4. Okay. Now according to the given data, IR data is the strongest ester carbonyl. Because of this molecular formula is given, and possibility of the which type of the frequency range, that is the 1725 centimeter, and this wavelength strong possibility of presence of strong ester carbonyl. Okay, now comes on the second was the proton NMR, H1 proton NMR. So in this data the 4.23, okay, 4.23 ppm and Q and the 4H all is given. Okay, now two equivalent are possible. We can find the equivalent position with the help of the proton NMR spectroscopy, nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. So there are the presence of the two equivalents, and two equivalent group, that is the OCH2 CH3. You can find with the help of a series on the basis of the given wavelength, and you can find the fixed group or present which appear on that wavelength. So now CH2 groups. Okay, groups ethyl ester. Name of this is the ethyl ester. Okay, ethyl ester. Now comes on the next. Next one is the carbon 13. Carbon 13. It is the isotope of the carbon, and carbon 13 NMR gives a peak 2.6. Here data is ppm. Convert into the ppm. 2.06 ppm. Okay, S is the 6 hertz. Also is given in our question 6 hertz. The 6 hertz. Okay. Now this data suggests a systematic structure. Suggest a systematic structure with systematic structure with methyl groups. Systematic structure with methyl groups. Okay. Now, now conclusion. On the basis of the EIMS also, on the conclusion is that the data is consistent with dimethyl succinate. Dimethyl succinate. Okay, and what is the formula? Formula is the CH3 CH2 double bond CH2, and again you can write here the separately like that. 1 minute. Dimethyl succinate. Okay, you can write CH3 CH2 C double O CH2 and CH2 and C double O CH2 CH3. Okay, that is the structure of our compound. So you can find on the basis of the range of the absorbance, on which range, which type of group are absorbed. You can find easily with the help of table. Thank you.